Khan Academy, divide fractions, subtopic fractions as division. Fraction r over s must be equal to which expression? So the biggest thing to kind of keep in mind here, and I saw something on the internet one time about this, is to think about like a fraction as that division sign. So a normal division sign looks like this with a line and two dots. Notice the fraction is the line with the dots. Okay, so that is our division. So r over s is really r divided by s. Complete the equation. 3 over 10 is the same as 3 divided by 10. Okay, so really all they're doing in this section is trying to kind of pound it into your brain that 3 over 10 is 3 divided by 10. So 1 over 6 is 1. Whoops, I got to click off of this, sorry. 1. I can't move it. I can't move it. There we go, 1 divided by 6. Whew. Which expression is equal to 4 divided by, or 4 over 6? 4 divided by 6. Okay, so really the trickiest thing that might happen here is that kiddos sometimes like to invert them and switch the numbers to 6 divided by 4. It's really just as you see the numbers in the fraction. 8 divided by 5 would be 8 over 5. The fraction x over y would be x divided by y. And 9 over 4 would be 9 divided by 4.